Good morning. This presentation introduces advanced finishing process commonly referred as AFP. These processes are used to achieve high surface quality, dimensional accuracy, and functional performance beyond what conventional machine can provide. The presentation is by Dr. K. Balamurun, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. This slide, we see the glimpse of traditional finishing process. Traditional finishing processes are widely used to improve surface finishing after machining. One such machining process is grinding, which removes material using bonded abrasives to achieve better dimensional accuracy. The other important process is lapping, which uses both abrasive between the workpiece and the lap to obtain extremely smooth and flat surfaces. This process forms the foundation of understanding advanced finishing techniques. In this presentation, we are going to focus much on magnetohorological fluid process. In simple, we used to call it as MR fluid process. The MR fluid consists of micro-sized magnetizable particle such as carbonyl ion suspended in a non-magnetic carrier fluid like silicon oil, mineral oil, or water. When there is no magnetic field, the fluid behaves like a neutron fluid, flowing freely with constant velocity. This property allows easy handling and circulation of the fluid during the polishing operation. Now, for instance, when an external magnetic field is applied on the MR fluid, the phenomena we used to call it as magnetohological effect, or in simple MF. The particles become magnetized and aligned themselves into a chain-like structure along with the direction of the magnetic field. This alignment causes the fluid to develop a controllable yield stress, increasing the resistance to shear and enable the precision material removing process. The behavior of the MR fluid under the different magnetic conditions has been shown in the form of figure A, B, and C in the previous slide, and the description is given over here. In the presence of the magnetic field, the particles are randomly distributed. When the magnetic field is applied, the particle form columns or chain, increasing the stiffness, and thereby it creates a shear strain with high increased resistance to flow also increases the yield stress, due to which once the magnetic field is applied and this chain creates a yield stress and automatically involves in the removal of materials over the surface. Once the magnetic field is removed, the particle return to its random state and the fluid regain its original shape as a Newtonic fluid. Here in the figure A, B, and C, it has been clearly shows that the initial the particles has been randomly distributed in the fluid with the absence of the magnetic force. Once the magnetic force or effect is being absorbed or reacted by the particles, it tends to align together like a chain bond. So if you look up the figure B, the chain is in the upward direction, whereas in figure C, you can see the chain is at inclined as up with some orientation. That means, depending upon the given magnetic effect, this particle tends to form a chain and thereby increasing the stiffness and the yield strength, which causes the resistance to the flow of the particle and thereby the removal of the material has been taken place. If you look up over here, a simple mechanism of polishing has been shown through the MF fluid. The MF finishing process uses a controlled MR fluid ribbon or polishing spot between the tool and the workpiece. The point of contact with the tool and the fluid tends to get eroded and the polishing effect is being observed over the sample. The vertical MRF machine precisely controls the magnetic field strength, fluid flow, and relative motion. This setup allows a deterministic material removing and making it as a deal for ultra precise surface such as the optical components like I said earlier and the lens and the glass polishing. This slide shows the arrangement of the machining process in the vertical size. In absence of the magnetic field, the particles are randomly distributed. When the magnetic field is obtained, the particle columns of chain are increasing the stiffness. As you see in the vertical MRF mission, precise control has been achieved through the proper fluid flow and the relative motion of the particle between them with the applied magnetic effect. This deterministic material removing process is highly suitable for optical components. If we take the advantages of the MR polishing, it offers several advantages over the traditional polishing machine. The complaints of the polishing overlap is adjustable through the magnetic field. It efficiently removes heat and rubbish from the polishing zone. Unlike the grinding wheel, it does not clog or load up, and thereby the uniform clearing of material is being achieved precisely. And the most important is the fluid lapping is flexible and adapt to the shape of the workpiece, enabling the uniform and the high quality surface finish. So from this, it's very clear that even an irregular distribution shape of the end product can also be precisely machined through this MF technique. So that's all about today's class. Thank you for listening.